डिटेक्शन आमी घे पॉवरफुल सामकें डिस्टिंक्शन. क्रायम आडावपाच्या बाबतींत आनी कन्विक्शनाच्या बाबतींत 4th क्लास अशी आमची परिस्थिती आहा म्हणून.
लास्ट टाइम आम्ही तेच डिस्कस केल्लें प्रमोद की कन्विक्शन रेट इज व्हेरी लो. हे डिटेक्शन रेटीचेर आमचे 90% 95% अशें म्हणून हें करता. डोंट यू थिंक दॅट पुलीस इज इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल? बिकॉज एक गजाल सांगता तुका, आतां नाव वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट गँग वॉर्स इन स्पेशली इन डावन सालसेट, यू नो, विच इज रिलेटिवली safer place, you know, or a quieter place, you can say. Not a safer, a quieter place.
You made a very interesting distinction.
So now what happens is, ये gang उत्पन्न जाता है. Do you feel that they don't have any backing or whatsoever? They can operate by themselves and they can create these kind of gangs out of nowhere?
Yeah.
There has to be
weapons and everything.
There has to be a political affiliation there. There has to be a police affiliation there. And I am completely blaming the police here for the simple reason that along that coastal belt, along that Kolva-Margaon coastal area, this is not the first time.
Yeah.
Some years back, one youth was mercilessly beaten so badly there that he almost died. Gang attacks. Now, in this case, the attack happened at 2:45 a.m. almost that time, 2:45, 3 o'clock. Okay. Why are the police allowing these bars and restaurants to run up till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock? I can name so many restaurants or bars open there along that area, Kolva area. DSR report as a police, there are attacks, again and again, violent attacks been mentioned in the DSR report along certain areas. Why are these areas not sealed? Why are not these areas not been monitored? So police are not bothered because त्यांचे काम, you know, नाकाबंदी बी तशी ना, एक मातशें फिरले गेले. You should have been cracking this. Yeah. You are completely leaving it open for these people. Can you believe a vehicle with gun, swords, rods, glass bottles?
That is not spur of the moment
Not
crime.
spur of the moment. It's planned.
That is not spur of the moment
planned.
crime. That's a planned crime. That's a planned gang, and that's a very planned attack.
So where is your nakabandi? Where is your this thing?
It's a failure of intelligence also.
Complete failure of intelligence, complete failure of policing for that matter. Along that sensitive belt, and especially a buzzing belt where, you know, people are allowed to roam freely at night. You tell me, Pramod, at any point in time in that scenario, will you be safe to go out with your family at night? कोणावर अटॅक करू शकता तू?
One is the time when the attack happened, Pandang Bab. Second is the manner in which it happened. I'll still, you made that very nice distinction between safe or quieter. I think that's a very crucial distinction. Ki timing, पावणे तिना सुमार फातोडेर, is one thing. The manner in which it happened tells you that there have been these gangs operating. They were under the radar. Now we have to believe, or police will have to tell us that either they knew about them or they have no clue. They had absolutely no clue. There are only two things. Either they had information and they were under surveillance, or they had absolutely no clue that such a gang was operating.
Let me add one more point. These gangs do not belong to Margaon, neither do they belong to Kolva. These gangs are from various parts of Goa.
Yeah.
अनेक पुलिसाची सिस्टम असता, ते थोडे पुलीस असता ते केन्ना युनिफॉर्म घालना, कारण तेंच्यांनी कामूच तशें करप आसता. ते स्पेशल ब्रांचाचे पुलीस आणि ते आणि ते न्हू आतां आमी गोंयांत पळयलां की ते एकेच पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर वर्साची वर्सां रावतात. सो तेंचे नेटवर्क एक्चुअली स्ट्रॉंग जाता. ते हालना, ट्रान्सफरी जाले तरी हालना, ते परत आपले रिवर्स ट्रान्सफरी करून घेतात.
नेटवर्क स्ट्रॉंग
जावपाक जाय, पण हे उलटे जावपाक लागला.
If you don't have police support, this kind of an attack is not possible. This kind of a collaboration, this kind of a planning is not possible. Out in the open.
Yeah. It's very, very crucial. म्हाका सदांच आमी सदांच सिंगम म्हणटात, मरे सिंगमातलो तो डायलॉग म्हाका सदांच याद जाता की पुलीस जर सारके असले जाल्यार खंयच्या देवळाच्या भायल्यान एक चप्पल सुद्दां चोरी जावपाक शकना म्हण, गँगवॉर सोडून दी. कळ्ळें तुका? आतां हिंदीन मारना हांव, कळ्ळें तुका? आमकां सोंपना आतां हिंदीन मारलो म्हणून, पण दॅट इज द सारांश ऑफ दॅट डायलॉग. वॉट हॅज गॉन रॉंग, पांडुरंग बाब?
उलोवपाचें आमकां पयर म्हाका एक मनीस मेळ्ळो, जयल आनी हांव च्यायेक गेल्ले. तो म्हणटा की तुमी उलयता पूण कितें फरक पडटा बाबा कोणाक? पूण हांवें ताका सांगलें तरी उलोवपाक जाय न्हू आमी, वायट आसो बरें आसा उलोवया म्हणून. सो आजूय हांव उलयतलो. म्हाका कितें दिसता प्रमोद जाणा, पुलिसांचो गोंयान भंय उरूंक ना. पुलीस 2 फ्रंटाचेर काम करता. एक, वयल्यान कोणाचो तरी कॉल येतकच कोणा तरी धरतात आनी ताका शेपला येतात. दुसरें, कोणाचो कॉल तरी येयल्या उपरांत ताका सोडटात कोणा तरी. हे 2च कामां ते करतात. आपली म्हणून तकली वापरून कितें तरी करुया, हे क्रिमिनल्सांक कंट्रोल करुया, हें म्हाका दिसता पुलीस करिना. केल्लें जाल्यार हे अशें जाता नाशिल्लें. बार्देसान म्हण, साश्टीन
क्रायम केल्यार ताका धरप जाता, पण क्रिमिनल्सांक कंट्रोलान दवरपाची गजाली जायना.
जायना. आनी म्हाका दिसता फाटल्या 5-6 वर्सां आनी 3-4 व्हडले जे आसले डॉन म्हणटाले आपणाक, ते आपले आपुणूच सोंपले. एक वचपाक बेंगरे जेलीनूच मेलो, ताका मारपी जेलीनूच मेलो कारबोटकार. मागीर दुसरो तुमचो मडगांव ना म्हणटा पळय, तो एक आशिल्लो आपूस भुरगो, तो टायगर म्हणून, तो ताका कोण तरी मारलो. सो हे काबार जाले तरी सुद्दां मरे हेजो जो एंड आसा आपलो, ह्यो इतलो हेंचो भयानक जाला, ते पळोवन सुद्दां सुदारणात. हे जे नवे नवे भुरगे तयार जावपाक लागले प्रमोद.
एक गजाल
सिरियस मॅटर
की जनरली
हे न्यू भुरगे